My name is John McKeon. I'm the moderator for the Teradata River, and today we have with us Marc Parrish, Vice President, Retention and Loyalty Marketing, Barnes & Noble. He is speaking at the Executive Forum at the upcoming Partners Conference, and it should be a really interesting talk. Marc, what is your biggest business challenge at Barnes & Noble right now?
The biggest business challenge we have is effectively migrating all of our customers who are very educated and loyal customers who have shopped with us over the course of decades now and moving them into the new world of ebooks and e-reading.
Well, that sounds like a big challenge, but maybe the biggest thing around that is how do you keep from cannibalizing some of the other channels when you do that?
Most of it is by identifying our very high-value customers, or customers who have the propensity to buy into the digital age, those that don't, and that has to do with a number of different things, a number of different attributes and activity, and trying to optimize those across the channels that we have, both physical retail, our new digital division, and our online.com division.
So is this change not only a data change, but a cultural change for your organization?
It's quite a dramatic cultural shift within the organization, which we've made a number of steps to implement, and that is opening an office actually within Silicon Valley that produces a lot of our digital technology, as well as changes here on the East Coast, which have more to do with how media is consumed.
What do you think is going to be the most critical competency that you will try and develop over the next 5 years in terms of data, in terms of organizational competency?
The world of data is dramatically changing because of the technology that has come into play in the last 5 years, those of massive parallel processing systems, high-end visualization software that includes a lot of mapping and attribute crunching, as well as widely available regression modeling software like SAS and R. And I think implementing within the next 5 to 10 years very robust analytical systems where you're teaching those people internally how to quickly produce insights that you can react as a business are really the brave new world.
And what do you think are your biggest threats in terms of competition over the next 5 years, and how you're going to handle those?
The threats to our business are really the opportunities that we have on the upside because we as an organization decided to change into a technology company from being basically a physical book company. That is really what has been widely written about.
What are the 3 big points that you think every organization should understand when driving into the new digital world?
I think in terms of data, the 3 things that people should realize is you need to analyze very large data sets now in order to get true insights. The sampling that people have done for a long time doesn't really meet the challenge anymore. Moreover, you have to treat customers as individuals and treat them extremely well. And that means knowing about them in fine detail, even if they've only made a few purchases from you. And then the third thing, I think, is that when you think about multi-channel retailers and how retail is going to change within the structure of American society, really those people that differentiate themselves from customer service are going to be the ones that win the most.
Excellent. Marc Parrish, Vice President for Retention and Loyalty Marketing at Barnes & Noble. He is speaking at the Executive Forum at Partners Conference. It should be a great session. Marc, look forward to seeing you there.
Thanks very much.